Hello everyone, I am Mauna Narvani. In this video, we'll be learning branching statements in C. So in C, the statements are executed sequentially, one after the other, from the beginning of the program to the end of the program. So here the control flows sequentially, so hence it is called as sequential execution of program. But sometimes we might come across situations where we want to execute some part of the program and skip the other part of the program. So in such situations, we'll be using branching statements in C. So it is necessary to execute or skip certain set of statements based on some condition. So it is possible by branching statements. Branching statements are also called as conditional statements, conditional control statements, conditional control structures, decision making. So based on some condition, some part of a program will be executed, or based on that condition, some part of the program will be skipped. So in such situations, we are going to use branching statements. So there are totally 5 types of branching statements: simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, cascaded if else, or also called as else if ladder, and switch statements. So we'll check them one by one. We'll start with the first branching statement, simple if statement. This is one-way selection and it is suitable when there is only one choice. Let's check the syntax. Syntax is if condition, true block statements, statement 1 to statement n, statement x. So what happens here is if the condition will be checked. So this condition will return either true or false. If the condition is true, then the statements within this true block will be executed. If the condition is false, then these true block statements will not be executed and the control directly comes to statement X. So I'll repeat once again. If the condition is true, all the statements within these true blocks will be executed. If the condition is false, then the control directly comes to statement X. Let's check the flowchart. So here is the flowchart. The condition, we are going to represent it using diamond shaped symbol. So the condition is checked. If the condition is true, you can check the flow here. The true block statements will be executed. And then the program execution continues from statement X. If this condition is false, then the control directly comes to the statement X. So if the condition is false, you can check here. The control directly comes to statement X and the program execution continues from statement X. So the same thing has been given here. If the condition is true, then the statements within true block are executed. If the condition is false, then it skips true block statements and execution continues from statement X. Let's check some examples. So here we are going to write a C program to determine a person is eligible to vote or no using simple if statement. So we are making use of simple if statement to check whether a person is eligible to vote or no by reading his or her age. So here we are declaring a variable age of type integer. We are asking user to enter age. So in the scanf statement, we are reading the age given by the user. So here we are going to check if age is greater than or equal to 18. So if this condition is true, if the input value given by user is greater than or equal to 18, then the message eligible for voting will be printed. If this age greater than or equal to 18 is false, then this printf eligible for voting will not be printed. The control directly comes to thank you. If age is greater than or equal to 18 is true, then eligible for voting is printed. If age is greater than or equal to 18 is false, then directly the control comes to thank you. So let's check the output. So it is asking enter age. So I'll enter age like 30 and press enter. So it says eligible for voting, thank you. So if age is 30 here, 30 is greater than or equal to 18, so eligible for voting is printed. And also, as I said, the program execution continues from statement X. The next statements are, that is thank you, is also printed. Let's check one more output where we'll give age something less than 18. So enter age. So now I'm going to enter 14. Press enter. So the message printed is thank you. So when the input is 14, 14 greater than or equal to 18, the condition becomes false. Therefore, eligible for voting is not printed. The control starts executing from the next statement X, that is printf thank you here. So 14 greater than or equal to 18, the condition is false. Therefore, this eligible for voting is not printed. This statement is not executed. When the condition is false, the control directly comes to the next statement, that is thank you. So when the age is 14, it is just printing the message thank you. Let's see one more C program to check whether a number is positive, negative or 0 using simple if statement. So the program is here. The number is a variable of type integer. So user is asked to enter a number which is read in a variable number. When the user enters number, so it is checked across three if conditions. So either of the one condition will be true, the other two will be false. If the number is greater than 0, then positive number is printed. If the number is less than 0, then negative number is printed. If number is equal to 0, then number is 0 is printed. So let's run the program and check the output. So number, I'll enter number as 50, positive number. So number is greater than 50, so positive number is printed. 50 less than 0, the condition becomes false, so negative number is not executed. 50 equal to 0, even this condition becomes false, number is 0 is not executed. Whereas 50 greater than 0, the condition is true, positive number is executed. Let's check one more output. So now I'll give some negative number minus 15. So negative number minus 15, negative number is executed. Minus 15 greater than 0, condition becomes false, positive number is not executed. Minus 15 less than 0, yes, the condition is true, therefore negative number is executed and prints the message negative number. Again, if number, that is minus 15 equal to 0 is checked, it is false, so number is 0 is not executed. Let's check the third output where the number is 0. Therefore, the number is 0 is printed. 0 greater than 0 is false, so positive number statement is not executed. 0 less than 0 is also false, so the negative number is not executed. 0 equal to 0, yes, the condition is true, therefore number is 0 is executed. Number is 0 is printed. When the condition is checked, if you want to print only single statement or if you want only one statement to be executed, you need not put it within a curly braces. Suppose if you want to execute some certain set of statements, then you have to put those statements in curly braces. For example, I'll just show you here number greater than 0. So within this curly brackets, we are going to write some set of statements where it says positive number and print f number is just printing the number. So if you want to execute more than one statements after this if condition is true, then that must be enclosed within opening and closing braces. If we want to execute only a single statement, then need not put opening and curly braces. So let's check this program and run it. Enter number 30, number positive number is 30 is executed. So when the condition is true, all the statements within this opening and curly braces are executed. So these are the references. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.